How to check if your business has a file with Dun Bradstreet. Now that you're familiar with Dun Bradstreet and the importance of a DUNS number, the next logical step is to find out if your business already has a file with D&B. This lesson will guide you through the process, step by step. But before we dive into the how-to, let's understand a few reasons that this step is important at all. Existing credit files. If your business has been around for a while, it's possible that a file already exists, which could contain valuable credit history. You may even discover that your business has duplicate profiles that were created on your behalf, which can cause confusion with lenders later. Credit building. If a business does not have a file with Dun Bradstreet, it may be missing out on opportunities to establish and build credit. By checking if their business has a file with D&B and registering for a DUNS number, a business owner can begin the process of building their business credit profile. Accuracy. Ensuring that the information in your D&B file is accurate is crucial for your business credit and for securing loans or contracts. In addition, monitoring their business credit profile can help business owners identify any errors or inaccuracies in their credit report that could negatively impact their creditworthiness. By catching and correcting these errors early, they can avoid being penalized with higher interest rates, lower credit limits, or even denials of credit. Step-by-step guide. To check for a D&B file, Option 1, Online Search. Visit DB's website, navigate to Dun Bradstreet's website at https://dnb.com. Search for your business. Usually there's a search bar or an option that says, Find your company. Click on it. Enter details. Type in your business name and location, then hit the search button. Review results. If your business appears in the search results, that means you have a D&B file. Option 2. Via phone. Call D&B. You can also call Dun Bradstreet's customer service at 1-800-234-3867. Provide information. You'll be asked to provide your business name, address, and possibly your tax ID for verification. Wait for confirmation. The representative will confirm whether or not a file exists for your business. Important note: if you call Dun Bradstreet, the representative will almost certainly try to sell you their services for about $150. It's their job. While these services may be helpful, keep in mind that they are not required for getting or managing your DUNS number. What to do next? If a file exists. If your business shows up in the search results, you should proceed by requesting a copy of your business credit report to review the information. Be sure to note your DUNS number and verify that the information in your business credit report is accurate and up to date. Contact Dun Bradstreet directly if you discover duplicate profiles or inaccurate information. If no file exists. If your company does not appear in the search results, it may not have a D&B file yet. In that case, you can click on the Get a DUNS Number link to begin the process of registering your business with D&B and obtaining a DUNS number. You can also contact Dun Bradstreet directly for assistance with establishing a profile for your business. Updating your Dun Bradstreet profile. Online method. Log into the D&B website. Navigate to Dun Bradstreet's website at https://dnb.com and create or log into your account. Dashboard. Once logged in, go to your dashboard where you'll see an overview of your business profile. Edit profile. Look for an Edit or Update Profile button, usually located near your business details. Update information. Make the necessary changes, such as updating your address, number of employees, or revenue figures. Submit. After making the changes, click on the Submit or Save Changes button. Regular checks. Make it a habit to check your D&B profile at least quarterly for any inaccuracies. Prompt updates. Update your profile whenever there's a significant change in your business, such as a change in ownership or business size. Documentation. Keep all relevant documents handy, as D&B might request them for verification when you update your profile. Phone method. Call D&B. Call Dun Bradstreet's customer service at 1-800-234-3867. Verification. Provide your DUNS number and additional information to verify your identity. The customer service representative can help you find your DUNS number if needed. Request changes. Inform the representative about the changes you wish to make, and be prepared to provide any supporting documentation if necessary. Confirmation. You'll receive a confirmation once the changes have been successfully made, and you may be provided with additional steps if required. Now you should have access to your business credit profile at Dun Bradstreet, and in the next lesson, we will learn about the specifics of their unique Paydex score and how it impacts your business credit. If you like this video, be sure to check out the rest of our course on building business credit at mybusinesscredit.com.